Hey friends, welcome on my YouTube channel Vocabulary Hub. Please like, subscribe and share, and please don't forget to press on bell icon. So today's word is oblivious. Oblivious meaning is unaware of what is present or occurring. Like something is happening around you, but you are not at all bothered. You are too careless for the things. Example is the absent-minded couple acted oblivious to the mess their child made in the room. Alright, let's move for the second example. She was oblivious to our warning. They gave lots of warning to the girl, but she was acting like she's not at all bothered. She is oblivious, careless. He seemed oblivious to the fact that he had hurt her. He seemed oblivious that girl is hurt by the guy, but the guy is not aware about it. He's so careless. Like in the Hindi, we can say beparwa. Second word is inevitable. So the meaning of inevitable is unavoidable, which is has to happen. Alright, let's move for the example. Compromise is an inevitable part of marriage. If you want to run a successful marriage, you have to do a compromise. So inevitable means something which is has to happen, you can't avoid it. Let's move for the other example. Accidents are the inevitable result of driving too fast. Like if you are driving too fast, so accident has to happen, which you can't avoid. So that is inevitable. Another example is her tone is inevitable reason of tiff. Meaning of tiff is a small fight, jhagda. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I request you again, please click on bell icon so that you will be getting the notification for my further videos. And I would request you to use these two words in your daily routine. Try to use it so that it will come into your practice. All right, bye, take care.